Hi guys, it's Techy here and you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HEVC codec error on Filmora. Recently, I tried importing a video on my Filmora and it says HEVC codec must be installed to use this feature. So please check your OS to determine whether or not this codec is available on your system. And when I go over to Microsoft Store to try and install this extension, it says I have to pay $0.99 to be able to install this extension on my PC. But don't worry, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install this extension without paying a dime and get your Filmora working perfectly fine. Okay, so without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. I'm just going to go over to my Google Chrome. As you can see here, open a new tab. You can see the site here. We'll be making use of the site HEVC video extension. I've also dropped the link to this site in the description below. All you have to do is visit the site, scroll down, you can see here HEVC extension, click on the download button here. You can see it says HEVC video extension. You see the latest version there, the version 1.0.41483. You can see download the second one that has X64. You see, so just click on the button and download it to your PC. I'm just going to show you how you can install it and get it working on your laptop. Okay, so it's already finished downloading. Just going to go over to my file explorer here and show you how you can install this program. I've already downloaded these programs. You can see here, just double click it. See, install HEVC video extension from device manufacturer. Let's click on install. You can see can't be reached right now. Just click on run. You can see it's already HEVC video extension is already installed in my PC. I can use my Filmora now and import my videos and get them working perfectly fine. I'm going to close this Filmora and then reopen it again. So let's reopen the Filmora again and see if by installing our extension it has solved the problem. Okay, so my Filmora is up. So I'm just going to select the same program as the old one. Okay, and try importing the same video I tried importing before that I encountered the error. You can see here, see, I successfully imported the video without having to fix any error again. So just by following this simple step, we'll fix the HEVC codec error on Filmora. Don't also forget to subscribe to my channel